concerned you were asking your people or not. I gave them basically what you want. Recording or taking a picture?
Recording.
Yeah. Wanna go see Annie's?
Can you take the flower off her head?
What was that?
So we can send this video to Oma, and Oma doesn't have to complain about the stupid flower on her head.
You said that just because she's going to hear that, right?
Oh, we got some spit up on the floor. Is there a cloth? There's a cloth on the next one.
There is a cloth. Scooter.
No.
Scooter.
He's looking for... That's a shot of a dog bum.
You got it. Back off, Scooter.
Thank you, Annie.
Charlotte. Hi. 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 You want to come? You want to come? You're pulling yourself up. You gonna hug back? Okay.